Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Amplify DataStore, a powerful tool for building scalable and offline capable mobile and web applications. First, let's start with the basics. AWS Amplify DataStore is a persistent, on-device storage repository for mobile and web applications that automatically synchronizes data between the client and the cloud when the device comes online. It provides a simple, intuitive API for reading and writing data, allowing developers to focus on building their application rather than worrying about data storage and synchronization. One of the key concepts of AWS Amplify DataStore is its ability to work offline. This means that even when a user's device is not connected to the internet, they can still interact with the application and store data locally. When the device comes online, AWS Amplify DataStore automatically synchronizes the local data with the cloud, ensuring that the data is consistent across all devices and platforms. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we are building a note-taking application, and we want to store the user's notes in AWS Amplify DataStore. We can use the DataStore API to create, read, update and delete notes, and the data will be stored locally on the device. When the device comes online, the data will be automatically synchronized with the cloud, allowing the user to access their notes from any device. Best practices for using AWS Amplify DataStore include using it in conjunction with other AWS services, such as AWS App Sync and AWS Lambda, to build a scalable and secure backend for your application. It's also important to follow standard data modeling principles, such as defining a clear data schema and using data validation to ensure data consistency. In conclusion, AWS Amplify DataStore is a powerful tool for building scalable and offline capable mobile and web applications. Its ability to work offline and automatically synchronize data with the cloud makes it an ideal choice for applications that require data storage and synchronization. By following best practices and using AWS Amplify DataStore in conjunction with other AWS services, developers can build fast, scalable and secure applications that provide a great user experience.